truck. Does that taste good? Why is he looking right there?
I'm not sure.
Good thing that's a seat cover.
Get one picture, you can see how tall he is. Right here, look at him. Oh, that's right here. This so you can see how tall he is. Now I want you to get the top of his butt.
Got it.
Okay. He is. Aww, that little baby butt. What is that noise?
It's a new text message on my phone. I changed the sound. He's going crazy in there. Man, you're going to town.
Oh, my mom's car is dirty inside. Look how pretty he looks. Look at those big eyes. Look at how wet it is there. Oh my golly. How am I going to sit there? Huh? What am I going to do, honey? You got hair stuck in your teeth? Doggy hair? Oh, Stevie's such a cute little tongue. I love you. Yes, I'm trying to make up for all the petting you gave me yesterday. Can you see how wet it is? Mm-hmm. You have to give me a little towel or something to put on, or something. I guess I'll get a blanket in the back there. Hi. Oh, you hit your knee on the side, huh?
Don't dent the door. Okay. Now you're starting to bang the side.
Okay.
Okay.
It's soaking wet, too. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing, honey?
I think it's just where he can reach his head comfortably. And it's the seat.
What are you doing, honey? What are you doing, honey?
Does it look like a salt block to him?
I don't know. Look at these, they're so long it won't come out even. I'm not sure, but I gotta open it. I'm just kind of seeing that he's like wrinkled up, he's pushing. Did you see it? Can you see this?
I see it.
What the heck, honey? Look at this. What are you doing? You like it in here a lot? Well, can I touch your ears in here and stuff? Can I do everything I want while you're in here? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so close the door, but you don't get scared and back away.